write as one logarithm. So we have some logarithms in expanded form here. And we want to write them as a single logarithm, that's condensing them. The first thing you want to check is to make sure they have the same base. You cannot combine logarithms if they have different bases. So we can see that the base is 2 for each log. And the rule is that the sum of the logs is the log of the product. So you're going to write this sum of logs as a single logarithm with base 2, and the product is x times x cubed. And we can simplify that as log 2 of x to the 4th power. Here we have the difference of logs. The difference of logs is the log of the quotient. And anything that has a positive in front is going to be in the numerator. So this is, there's nothing here up front that's understood to be a positive 1, if you will. Then we're subtracting log base b of z. So this is going to go with a quotient because of the negative in front. So we write the single log, the bases are the same, so it's log base b, and then we take the numerator, that's the positive log, and then put the negative log in the denominator like that. Here we're dealing with coefficients in front of the logs. Those are the exponents. So the first step when I do this problem is I'm going to take the 8 and put it, now by the way, the log here, there are no bases, so that's written. So that means it's log base 10, the common log. So first you deal with the exponents. So we have log x plus 2, and then the 8 becomes the exponent minus log x squared plus 1, and we're not going to put the negative up. We could do that, and this would become positive, and this would be -1, but -1 in the exponent just means it's going to go in the denominator. So I'm going to just leave the negative there. And here we have plus log. Now, the exponent 2/5 on y, the bottom number is the root, is the 5th root, and the top number is the square. So it's going to be y squared, but then you're going to have the 5th root. Okay, that's how we translate that fraction. Now that I've taken care of the exponents, I didn't put the 3 there. Okay, this 3 goes up. I didn't copy that correctly. All right, we have the negative and the 3 goes. So now that I've got the exponents, then I'm going to go ahead and deal with, this is the plus, minus, plus. So these two are going to go in the numerator, and this is going to go in the denominator. So we've got log of x plus 2 to the 8th power. And then this also is going to go in the numerator. So that's going to be the 5th root of y squared. And then divided by, this is the negative in front, it's going to be x squared plus 1 cubed. There we go.